Preview. Preview.
Well, you guys know that this is a telescope. This telescope can be used to watch stars, galaxies, and even the planets. But do you guys know about the James Webb Telescope, which was launched before a few weeks, before a few months ago, which was carrying about 6,500 kilograms. It's about 6.3 metric tons. So, how does this telescope of 6.5 metric tons was launched to the space? Well, that payload was carried by a rocket. So those rockets launch vehicles, and rockets are the launch vehicles which carry the payload to the space, like the internal combustion engines that are used in cars and their locomotives. Rocket engines also derive their energy from combustion. Combustion is burning of fuel in the presence of oxygen. You guys also know that rocket fuel is made of hydrogen and oxygen. With the mixing of those two chemicals, we make the combustion and the thrust of the gas into the combustion. So, we can go to the next part. Most rocket engines turn the fuel into hot gas. You guys know that. So, and also the rocket pushes the gas out from the back, and the gas makes the rocket move forward. And then we can go to the space, and we can launch satellites and which every other some material we need to launch to space.
So now in rocket science, the working of a rocket usually incorporates the three laws of Newton and the conservation of momentum and the conservation of energy. Now for all those definitions, I will briefly describe them. And in the Newton's three laws, the first law of Newton means that for an object, if it stays in inertia or is moving at a uniform velocity, it will continue the motion without any disturbance if an external force is not applied to it. And for the second law of Newton, it states that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So in that, the momentum is equal to the mass into acceleration. And in the third law, which is quite possibly the most famous law, it says that for an action there will be an input and an opposite reaction. So now for the other two, which means the conservation of momentum and the conservation of energy. In the conservation of energy, it basically means that energy is neither created or destroyed. It just converts from another type of energy to another type. So in the conservation of momentum, it also means that the conservation is neither destroyed or created after the collision. It just remains the same. So those are what's incorporated in rocket works.
Talking about types of satellites, there are many types of satellites. Few of them are atmospheric satellites, communication satellites, navigation satellites, remote sensing satellites, and search and rescue satellites. Atmospheric satellites are used for weather forecasting. Communication satellites are used for telecommunication purposes, like using radio, telephone, like that. Navigation satellites are used for navigating ships and navigators, like that. Reconnaissance satellites are used for military purposes, like spying or something. Search and rescue satellites are used by search and rescue services on their own.